we have given that x power 6 minus x power 3 is equal to 2. Then we have to find all real solutions. So it is x power 6 is 3 times 2 minus x power 3 is equal to 2. And x power a times b is equal to x power a whole power b. So x power 3 times 2 will be x power 3 whole power 2 minus x power 3 is equal to 2. And if we take x power 3 is equal to t, then it is t square minus t is equal to 2. And it is t square minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. And it is t square and minus t is minus 2t plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. And t square minus 2t is t times t minus 2 plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. And it is t plus 1 times t minus 2 is equal to 0. So either t plus 1 will be 0 or t minus 2 will be 0. And from here we can get t is equal to minus 1 and t is equal to x cube, that is equal to minus 1. So x will be equal to cube root of minus 1 and x is equal to cube root of minus 1 is minus 1. And here t is equal to 2 and t is x cube, that is equal to 2. So x will be equal to cube root of 2. X is equal to minus 1 and cube root of 2.